You hear the chair? You can actually hear the word squeak. Squeak. Oh my god, it's so annoying. Hi everyone and welcome to the Eva channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. Here you will find everything you need to learn English. Did you know that some sounds are actually words?
Bark.
This is called Onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia.
Onomatopoeia.
Okay, so onomatopoeia are sounds that we use actually like words. Before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more of these videos. I need your help to vote and decide which one is, I don't know, the most annoying or the most accurate.
Hey, want to hear the most annoying sound in the world?
The first category I would like to start with is the most delicious sound. Now I have reduced it down to two sounds. The first one is this. Sizzle. You can hear it. Sizzle.
More sizzle!
The second sound is this. We call this fizz, okay? This bubbliness. Fizz, fizz, fizz. Which one is more delicious? Sizzle or fizz, fizzy drinks? You let me know in the comment section below. The second category is the most disgusting sound. Sometimes when you have an upset stomach, and probably because all of the food and the soda you drink, there's a lot of air pressure that needs to be released into a
BURP.
and you can actually hear it. Burp, and you can hear the burp. The second sound is this. I know. It's very disgusting. So I cannot decide which one of these two is more disgusting. Third category is the most common. The first sound that I chose is the following. Ring. So you can actually use it in a sentence like the phone rings or the ring of a phone. So it's ring ring. So the second sound is beep.
Okay, so this wire is connected to this wire, which plugs into here.
If you have a fire alarm or a smoke alarm, it can beep. So, by the way, guys, all of these are actual words, so you can use them in sentences. The third sound I chose in this category is pop. Pop. Oh yeah, I did it. Pop. So which one is more common, right? So ring, beep, or pop. The next category is the most annoying sound. Squeak! Squeak! Oh my god, it's so annoying. And the second one is this very annoying slurping sound. Next category is the scariest sound. The first one is boom. So when you hear boom, it means something exploded. Other scary sound is crack. Especially when it's the screen of your phone. So which one of these two you think is scarier? Our last category is the most accurate. The first sound is, you know, have you ever heard a duck? It usually goes sound in this category is a lion roars. And the third sound in this category is ding dong. We can hear them say quack, roar, and ding dong. Which one do you think is the most realistic, the most accurate? Last but not least, I have a fun fact. Do you know that TikTok, yes, the name of the application, is actually an onomatopoeia. This is actually the sound of a clock. This is what you hear. You hear tick tock, tick tock. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. In my next video, I'm teaching you grammar with Khaleesi, Game of Thrones. I know, she's amazing. I know. I say it a lot, but whatever. Stay tuned and see you soon. Bye!